Alright guys, today we're going to be taking a look at 3 scents of beard oil from a brand new company. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, and tutorials, then you've come to the right place. Make sure to click that subscribe button and stay tuned for more content. Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new company out of Hudson, Wisconsin. That is Bearded Buck. If you can see those labels. Alright, so I actually won these products in an Instagram giveaway. They have 3 scents available and the giveaway winner won all 3. So I won all 3 scents. So that's what we're going to be taking a look at today, is all 3 of their scents. And a little bit about them. Like I said, they are based out of Hudson, Wisconsin. They're available on Etsy and they have their own website. So they've been around, I think, sometime this year. They started in 2019, I believe. So 3 of their scents: Mountain Breeze, Citrus Mint, and Original Blend. So those are our 3 scents that we're going to talk about today. So let's start with Mountain Breeze. So Mountain Breeze, they all come in amber glass dropper top bottles with a child-proof dropper top lid, and all 3 kind of have a yellowish tint to it. They're all kind of a light to medium oil. And so the ingredients on Mountain Breeze: organic essential oils of lavender, vanilla, and jasmine. Also grapeseed oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, apricot kernel oil, camellia oil, sweet almond oil, and castor oil. And castor oil is last, so it has no real weight to it from that. So this is Mountain Breeze, and the scents on this: lavender, vanilla, and jasmine. Straight out of bottle, I get that lavender, a little bit of that jasmine. Smells really, really good. This is kind of one of those fresh scents. It's really fresh and smells really good, hence the name Mountain Breeze. I don't really get that vanilla. This scent changes just a little bit when you warm it up, not a whole lot. I'm not going to go through all of these on my hand and get all greasy. We'll do 1 drop. So warm this up a little bit. Pretty much the same thing. I'm touching that, get a little bit of that vanilla. Comes through when you warm it up. But it's still just that fresh, clean Mountain Breeze scent. Smells really, really good. All right, next we have Citrus Mint. And these labels are really cool. The color on the name of the scent is different on each one. And you have your ingredients, their logo, the scent, and then a little bit of description. The oil softens, moisturizes, conditions, and gives your beard the perfect shine, and with directions. So the ingredients on Citrus Mint: organic essential oils of sweet orange and spearmint, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, apricot kernel oil, camellia oil, sweet almond oil, and castor oil. So all of them have the base, same carrier oils with just different fragrance or scent essential oils. So get this little shake. Out of bottle, straight spearmint. That's what I get. And on the back end, you get a little bit of that orange. Let's do this one on this hand. And again, this is going to be another kind of a cloudy yellow. Heat that up a little bit. When you heat it up, that orange comes to the front, but it blends with that spearmint, and this scent is awesome. Now One problem that I had with these two, Mountain Breeze and Citrus Mint, I was expecting the citrus, the orange part, to wear out pretty fast, but they wore out really fast. Both of these, the scent did not last very long at all. 30 minutes after putting them in, I couldn't smell the scent. Still did remarkably well in my beard, absorbed really well, kept my beard hydrated, but the scent just dissipated. So I emailed Bearded Buck and kind of told them my thoughts. And they said they already knew about the problem, that they had somebody mixing them for them, and they had actually mixed the essential oils not enough that they needed, so the scent was not lasting as long. So they had since fixed that problem. So if you purchase anything from Bearded Buck, it should be lasting. If it doesn't, shoot them an email, let them know. Now my favorite of the three is Original Blend. That black and white label. The ingredients on this: organic essential oils of patchouli, bergamot, and cypress, with the same other carrier oils: grapeseed, avocado, jojoba, apricot kernel, camellia, sweet almond oil, and castor oil. So give this one a shake. And straight out of bottle, I get a perfect mix of that patchouli and that cypress. The bergamot kind of on the back end, but the patchouli and the cypress is perfect. And this scent actually lasted for 4 to 5 hours. This one lasted the longest out of the three and was really good. So this one, again, kind of a yellowish, lighter weight. Warm it up. And that cypress, they all three blend together. That bergamot, that patchouli, and that cypress, not one is stronger, in my opinion. One's not stronger than the other. They all three blend together really well. And I actually got comments on this one when I was wearing it, like, what is that you have in? And it smelled really, really good. It is great oil. Now, pretty much rub it in beard, leave a little bit. It does leave a little bit of a greasy residue, but for me, that's not an issue. It's not a deal breaker for me. Some of you guys, it might be. 9 times out of 10, I'm not out here. I'm at my sink putting in beard oil so I can rinse my hands off, that kind of thing. All right, prices. A 1 ounce bottle of beard oil on their website, also on Etsy, same price, is $13.99 for 1 bottle, which is right around market average, a little bit below market average. All right, so if you're curious about Bearded Buck and you don't want to pay $14 for 1 bottle, you can actually get a sample pack. Their sample pack includes all 3 scents in 2 milliliter bottles of each scent. You also get a sticker and a wooden comb. Normally that is $9, but at the time of filming this video, it's $3. So you can get 3 2 milliliter bottles, a comb, and a Bearded Buck sticker for $3. That is both on their website and on Etsy. So I don't know how long that sale is going to last, but definitely want to check out Bearded Buck. So thank you guys over at Bearded Buck for hosting a giveaway and doing a giveaway. Get over, if you don't, get over and follow them. If you're interested, get over and follow Bearded Buck on Instagram, and they might be having another giveaway soon, so you get a chance to win. Now, my recommendation out of all 3 of these is the Original Blend. That is my favorite of the 3. Scent just didn't last for me in the 2 of these. Now they say they've got that fixed. Citrus Mint, it was okay. I'm kind of like citrus to a certain extent. Mountain Breeze would probably be, this would be my number 1. This would be, Mountain Breeze would be number 2. And then my least favorite was Citrus Mint. So keep that in mind. If this is something that you like, sweet orange and spearmint, lavender, vanilla, and jasmine, or patchouli, bergamot, and cypress. Now they do have full scent profiles on their listings, so I'll put links to both Etsy and their website in the description below. You can check those out, and if you make a purchase, let them know that the Bearded Outdoorsman sent you. All right guys, well that is it for today. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.